Ingredients: a pack of Maria biscuits because this crisis is difficult, 100 of butter, a can of condensed milk, a can of a carnation, and 5 lemons. Utensils: the blender, a knife, can opener, skillet, a casserole dish. Wash hand well. Very well. Blend the pack of Maria biscuits in the blender and grate. The butter, milk, and grate.
Ya nomás derrito la mantequilla y ya voy.
Yes. Then melt the butter and combine the Maria biscuits and butter. Combine very well. Put the biscuits mix in a casserole dish and spread for half a casserole dish. Put in the blender the can of condensed milk and pour a can of whipping cream on carnation and grate and blend. With a knife and cut off 5 lemons, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the juice, or pour the lemon's juice in the mix. Combine the mix with the lemon juice and the blender in the low speed. Add in the casserole dish the mix of lemon juice. Yes, delicious. The casserole dish is placed in the freezer and wait 2 hours.
¿Es como que
Así
ven?
déjalo.
Sí, eso. Ah. Eat very cold in company with family.
Delicious.
¡Ale, toro!
Delicious.
Hi, my name is Nami and welcome to another video. Today I will teach you how to prepare a pasta bolognese. The ingredients are a packet of pasta, a carton of tomato puree, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of oregano, tablespoon oil, 1 liter of water, 500 grams of grilled beef, 2 garlic, 5 carrots, 2 zucchini, 100 grams of butter, and salt to taste. Boil pasta in water and then put onions, olive, garlic, and salt in the saucepan. Let them cook for 10 minutes. Grate the carrots and zucchini. Use the vegetables peeler for peeling carrots and cut vegetables with knife. Chop up the onions and garlic. Set some ground beef with butter. Chopped onions and garlic in a frying pan with the ground beef. Add salt. When the pasta is ready, use a colander to remove the water. While the ground beef is cooking in the frying pan, pour tomato puree on it and stir with a ladle. Then add oregano and salt. Cook for 10 minutes. Serve the pasta on a plate and add the mix of ground beef, tomato puree, and vegetables. Ready to enjoy. My judge tasted my dish. My judge enjoyed my dish.
Hi, my name is Alexa. Welcome to my video. Today we are going to make a rainbow pancake. Let's to the kitchen. The ingredients for our recipe are a cup of flour, butter, a quarter cup of milk, eggs, a little sugar and salt, and quite a lot baking powder. In the bowl, combining the flour and milk. It all mixed with bread and egg. We add a teaspoon of sugar and a little salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 teaspoons of butter. We beat it with a fork because I don't have a whisk. Beat until smooth. Make a rainbow with a vegetable dice. We divided the mixture into the colors of the rainbow. The colors of the rainbows is red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and purple. Pour the mixture into the pan. We white and then with the spatula we flip the pancake. And we do the same with the other colors. Ta-da! This is a rainbow pancake.
Welcome. Today we are going to prepare a traditional Mexican dish. So let's start. This is my mom's kitchen. The ingredients that we are going to use are 1 kilo of dough, 1 kilo of haba, my mom is going to teach you. First, we have to grab a first of dough and knead it. Put the haba into the middle and close it. Isn't not that complicated. This Mexican dish is well known as gorditas or tlacoyos. In what we hope we will dance.
Now they are ready and we can take them off the oven.
Mmm, delicious. Let's put in an oven and eat after eating the delicious tlacoyos or gorditas. We are going to prepare a small nutrition dessert. Ingredients: berries, e.g. strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, milk, eggs, equipment, measuring cup, blender, bowl, spoon. First, put all of the berries into the blender. Add the milk to the measuring cup and measure the required amount liquid. The mixture looks delicious. This mix looks delicious. Add the mixture to our bowl and add some cut apples and oatmeal. Already we have our dessert to enjoy. Now if to eat. Delicious.